Na wanakuja mpaka wananiambia mimi nitoke police station and I was trying to come.
Ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiamariga gicigo-ini kia umbuge kia Mathira nikuo Gicanjama giki gituthukire. Martha Wanjiru Miano egwikinyitie guku kuhura riboti igii wagi wa uigiririki githurano-ini kinini kia wadi ya Ruguru. Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti ino, mumbunge wa Mathira Rigathi Gachagua na arugamiriri ake mekinya ceceni-ini makienda kumenya itemi ria Martha githurano-ini giki. Na thutha wa gucokaniria kwa ihinda, umwe wa arugamiriri ake uramenyekana ta Jimmy ahiukirwo na ahiukie Martha ikobi akiuga ni aragira mumbunge ucio gitio. Kurigana na Martha, mumbunge uyu niwe wathire nyanake ici imurute kuma ceceni-ini ino.
Mheshimiwa went to the inside the police station, then out. Started addressing the RO and IPC staff, and just as an observer, I went to listen. When I went to listen, he saw me. He started, I don't know what, he started attacking me verbally.
Martha nierire andiki a mohoro ati igeria ria kwandikithia ndumiriri na maabitha ceceni-ini ino niritungirwo ni uritu munene gukirikana ni arokirira mumbunge ucio.
He said, kwama hawa si wa Ruguru, they should be evicted forcibly. And he was pointing at me, and I asked him, we have a right to be here. Then his people, his driver and 3 other guys he goes with attacked me.
No na kuri oguo Rigathi ni areganire na uhoro ucio akiuga wekiria ekwendaga no Martha eherio kuma listini ya thurimi aithurano tondu ni akoretwo na muthutukanio na kunyita mbaru umwe wa aria marahuranira giturwa kiu.
Tondu ti commissioner mathurithanagia ri nikio githurano giki kirathi na mbere na gutiri undu ungicenjia tondu githurano ni giatangathitwo thiini wa ngatheti ya thirikari na hau ni uhoro ri.
Giturwa giki ni kiguciriria ahuraniri eri Erastus Karanja wa kiama kia Jubilee na James Simon Dego wa kiama kia Maendeleo Chap. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru Wanjuguna.